The Cadillac Escalade IQ is a revolutionary step forward in the world of electric luxury SUVs, combining bold American styling with futuristic technology. It represents the next chapter in Cadillac's legacy of innovation and elegance. The design of the Escalade IQ is nothing short of breathtaking. Its massive presence is amplified by a sleek aerodynamic silhouette, bold lighting signatures, and a commanding stance. In a glossy black finish, the SUV radiates strength and sophistication, turning heads wherever it goes. The front fascia features a full LED light panel and illuminated Cadillac badge that gives the Escalade IQ a distinct identity, especially at night. Built on GM's Ultium EV platform, the Escalade IQ offers impressive electric performance without compromising on space or comfort. With up to 750 horsepower in performance mode and an estimated range of over 450 miles on a full charge, this SUV proves that power and sustainability can go hand in hand. Instant torque delivers thrilling acceleration, while advanced air suspension and four-wheel steering provide a smooth, agile, and confident driving experience, whether in city streets or on open highways. Step inside, and the cabin of the Escalade IQ feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. It features a panoramic 55-inch curved LED display stretching across the dashboard, seamlessly integrating the driver's instrument cluster, infotainment and passenger screen. Premium materials like fine leather, wood trims, and brushed metal accents fill the interior, complemented by ambient lighting that sets the mood. Every seat offers ultimate comfort, with available massage functions, heating, and cooling. The spacious second and third rows ensure that all passengers travel in first-class comfort. Technology in the Escalade IQ is cutting-edge. It includes Cadillac's advanced drive assistance system, Super Cruise, allowing for hands-free driving on compatible roads. The infotainment system is powered by Google built-in, offering voice control, real-time navigation, and app integration. A premium AKG 40-speaker surround sound system delivers an immersive audio experience that turns every ride into a concert hall on wheels. Safety is prioritized with features such as 360-degree cameras, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keep assist. The vehicle constantly monitors its environment to provide maximum protection. The Cadillac Escalade IQ is more than just an electric SUV, it's a symbol of prestige, progress, and power. It's built for those who desire innovation wrapped in elegance, offering a driving experience that's as smooth and refined as it is bold and futuristic.